Good morning, Frank Watkins with Kylie again. It is Monday 11th of October. We just decided that we'd do this bit of a recording for the first 4 days of each week and leave Friday clear. It can be a bit hectic. So, how you doing, Kylie?
I'm well. Good morning, everyone.
Good.
Have you all had a good weekend?
Yes. The sun shone in glorious Western Australia. Okay, I'm going to do a scan, one that I don't do very often, but just going to go into fundamentals. I need to try and find something for my super. So I've ticked dividend yield more than 6%, must be in the top 220 by market cap, and that's not an absolute rule. I've just ticked that for the sake of ticking it. I'm going to limit price range from 0.001 to $5 and just hit scan and rattle through the results pretty quickly. They'll either stand out or they won't. I expect a few things to be giving good divvies, but that would only be because prices probably been falling. So AJZ, I'll just bring in, okay, divvy 7.31, 70% franking. At the moment just going and filling the gap. It'll have to back off from the gap before I get interested. Down the gurgler. Some of these divvies look pretty attractive, but if you're not going to get capital gain as well, then I'm not interested. WAM Capital, 6.5%, fully franked, boring as bats, but probably as safe as houses. Platinum Asset, going down the gurgler. An office real estate investment trust, 6.77, no franking. Again, that would be boring. Service Stream, down the gurgler for a long time, but possibly if it can close above $1 for 2 or 3 days in a row, showing an 8.2% fully franked divvy, I'd be checking that seriously. Service Stream really has not been performing for quite some time. And Platinum Asset, whoops, went the wrong way. TNK, this has to be a takeover. You can, the moment you look at this, you need to realise it is a takeover attempt, and that is about it. So there's nothing there that's stunning, but anyway, I shall pass over to Kylie.
Thank you, Frank. Okay, I'm going to go back to the same scan that we did on Thursday last week. So going back into scan for patterns and events, we had 21 breakup of the close, increasing volume for 4 days, OBV 21% above the level of 3 days ago, and volume 300% above 1 day. Price range, I'm going to make this, because Frank changed it, this will change, so it's 5 cents to $4. $4, ignoring results, 250,000 value, and volume is 1 million. I think you said got too many zeros there. Hang on. There we go. That is right. So now I'm going to scan. Now this, Frank did have intraday off. I'm going to turn it on so I can just see what's happened today since the market update. That has already moved too much, so not interested. ATC has moved too much. That would have looked good this morning or on Friday if you had kept an eye on it. AX1, if it can move along 250 for a while, it could look interesting. Get through 250, have another run, but needs a bit of work. Has a bit of work to do. CE1 looks very good. If again it's done a lot of work, if it moves along 25 cents for a bit, it moves up, great. If it keeps moving, I'd forget about it.
Sensational OBV on that.
Yes, very good OBV. CRN again looks good. This is an interesting one to try and jump in. As you can see, we had a line here that would have been your break. It's very gappy. Kind of need some pattern to form before you jumped into this one. It's a bit. If you're not already in it, I'm not sure how you'd get into that just yet. You'd need something to happen.
Dare I throw the fundamentals at you? If we can just go back one. It says Coronado Global Resources, and the dog agrees with me that this is not to be sneezed at, but to be barked at. They are involved in coal in Wyoming, West Virginia, I think, in the US. So really happy to throw a few fundamentals at you. Coal is the hot topic at the moment.
Yes, true, very true. Again, need a pattern. I need some confirmation that's going to keep going up, otherwise it's already done too much. Gem, I think we discussed this the other day. This one came up. It's pulled back, which you expect. Big move, pull back. Again, I think we said needs up $1.20 might be a bit of a stopper. Might form a bit of resistance, break of $1.20, but again, you'd need a longer sideways move for me to be convinced. GEV, that's an interesting one. It'd be worth sort of going back and spending a bit of time looking at that.
I like the 10-cent area.
10-cent
if that can get broken.
Yep.
Could be very interesting.
Looks very good. I like that one. GSN, that's a nice little breakout from this. That's not a very big sideways move, but again, don't know if I jump in just yet. HZR, that's an interesting one. I tried to have a crack. Gap down, looks like it's trying to fill that gap again. If it can fill that gap and then break here, then I'd say that's so $1.16. Would probably be an interesting look at getting in on that one.
How many issued cap? Can we just... yeah, very nice.
It's a nice one. IMD, $2.50 was your entry. Again, need some kind of a pattern to form. INF, gappy.
Gappy, break of 15 perhaps.
Perhaps, yeah. This looks like a recent float, so probably for me, it hasn't been around long enough, but you're starting to see some high, low formations form. It's not very strong, but potentially could get back to $3. Need more data. Same with this one.
Same again, yeah.
Nope. NHC, this is another coal company. We're talking about coal just before. Again, this one, $2.60 could be interesting, but again, I'd like it to move around here to form some kind of a resistance and then break through. Nope. Done a lot. This has done a lot.
Looks like that $1 level again.
Yep. Yeah, again, a lot of these things, big moves, you expect a bit of a retracement back. The longer it can stay along $1.25, the better. Watch for the break. Nope. Ooh, that's nice. Moved. It hasn't been a big sideways move, but it has. It's only a 7-cent stock. Nice little break this morning. I like that one. And I like that one. That's filled that gap again. Break of $1. You need probably a close above $1 on that one. Do you agree with that one?
Yeah, absolutely. We've got another gap up there at about $1.30 odd.
This one up here.
So.
Yep. Nice. $1.40. No. Nope, done too much. Here's that SSM that came up in your scan. That's worth keeping an eye on, a break of $1. SXY, this looks good at a break of 4. It's had a good crack at it today. Don't mind this stock either.
Just bring in weekly 5 years. Okay, 10 years.
Yeah, across there.
Yeah.
Looks good. $4, definite level. Keep an eye on that one. Very good. TIE, Look, we carry that on. Oops. That was your break. Now we're needing sort of, again, it's moving too quick. I'm not sure how you'd get into that one today, possibly. 40 cents again, you'd want it to move back. It may retrace. Just keep an eye on this, maybe 45 level. That's your 45 there, 47. Yeah, bit tricky. No. That's already gapped up. That's just no, that's a big no. And that's done a lot as well. Not sure how you'd get into that. Ooh, that's nice.
Yes.
I like that one.
Yes, very nice.
The box has already been drawn around it, which helps. So it's popped out the top of that box. That looks very good. SA looks nice as well. I'd do the same. I'd probably just draw a line across here. Keep an eye on that level. What is that? Break of 320.
320, yep.
Yep. Not enough. That looks like another new float. So could potentially get back to 80, but I've seen better stocks today so far. And that's gapped up. So yeah, I'd say no to that one. And there you go. That's the end. 41 scans, 41 stocks.
Okay, there's plenty out there if you look. Touch wood, we'll talk to you again tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See ya. Bye.